we are talking to locals here, parang lagi silang may kwento about how they lost their jobs. So yung part na yun yung medyo nakakalungkot kasi that's the truth. Kapag walang tao dito, walang turista, then wala ding pera na papasok para dun sa mga locals na manggagawa dito. It's like a ghost town. Wala nang tao. There are a few na nandun sa beach, pero mabibilang lang sila sa daliri. But I think this is Boracay's beautiful sunset for today. For today's video, I am going to vlog our vacation here in Boracay. We are staying here from the 18th to the 21st of December. At samahan nyo ako. I am going to show you kung ano yung bago at kung ano yung luma dito sa Boracay. But yeah, I think we are going to have fun. Today, medyo rainy because there is I think signal number 1 dito yata sa Boracay, I'm not sure. But I think mawawala na rin naman siya by tomorrow. So, samahan nyo kami in our adventures. So we are ready to board in. We just had our papers checked doon sa counter. Kasi sila yung nag-verify ng mga papers for tourists, and now we are heading to the boarding gate. Passed through the first security check, and apparently mas strict sila ngayon about you bringing in liquids. Kaya yung isa naming malaking alcohol naiwan doon. Another observable thing here. Look at that. Halos wala pong tao. Unlike yung scenes, kailan ba kami huling nasa airport? February. Finally, we heard the announcement that we are now boarding. We came here very early para at least kung may mga aberya man mafi-fix pa namin. But now we are boarding and we are going to gate number 133A. We are now in the plane and we are giving additional announcements regarding our safety in flight.
The mask and pull it towards you.
We finally landed. We just waited for our row to be called.
Your face shield.
And we're finally here in the port, just a ride away to our hotel, and it's almost 1:30 in the afternoon. Medyo makulimlim pa rin guys at a bit rainy, but nothing could stop us. We are going to the beach. Uunahin namin yung dito sa private beach ng Fairways and Blue Water. And then we are gonna go ahead to the White Beach. Let's go! Our shuttle is here to bring us to the beach. And now, we are going to the White Beach. Pero it's still kinda rainy, kaya we're just gonna get our payong. Finally here, sa famous White Beach. Look at that, I miss this. Yung napakaputi at nakakasilaw na sand of Boracay. Medyo may mga tao pero hindi talaga ganun karami. Like the usual December scene before. It's yung walkway that used to be very busy. Imagine today is Saturday and almost lunchtime, past 11. And walang masyadong tao. There are some people doon sa beach pero kakonti lang talaga. So yeah, that is something that changed. Wala na masyadong tao ngayon. And it's low tide here. See that? That's the shore na malapad, and then may sandbar. So there guys, we just finished our lunch. At dahil very limited pa rin yung mga restaurants na open here, we ate doon sa restaurant. So alam nyo guys, if you're going to think about it, parang mas maganda ngayon dito sa Boracay kasi mas kita yung ganda ng Bora. Given that pinalawak na yung shore, yung beach area, and then konti nga yung tao ngayon. So mas na-enjoy mo yung nature at mas na-enjoy mo yung scenes. But looking around, especially dun sa mga establishments, medyo madaming mga sarado. And every time we are talking to locals here, parang lagi silang may kwento about how they lost their jobs. So yung part na yun yung medyo nakakalungkot kasi that's the truth. Kapag walang tao dito, walang turista, then wala ding pera na papasok para dun sa mga locals na manggagawa dito. So it's good and bad, and I think for now there's nothing we can do about it, but I think we just have to support local for now. At ganito po ang scene dito sa parting ito ng Station 3. It's like a ghost town. Wala nang tao. Even these restaurants, open naman yata sila. But nobody is in here. Halos kami na lang yung naglalakad. And there's the other side. Let me show you. Now we are walking kasi walang magawa, nga hours, palipas ng oras because we're just waiting for the sun to set. Hopefully meron. Medyo nagpapakita naman na yung araw. Look at that. Kita nyo ba? Parang hindi naman. But yeah, it's now up in there. So hopefully may sunset mamaya. It's 2:30 midday. Dito pa rin kami sa White Beach shore, and para na siyang ibang resort. Yan, walang tao. There are a few na nandun sa beach pero mabibilang lang sila sa daliri. So there guys, abang-abang pa tayo ng konti kapag bibigyan tayo ni Boracay sunset. Medyo nagpakita na si Haring Araw behind the dark clouds. So a few minutes more, hopefully we can see the beautiful sunset of Boracay. Naman papaano may konting pa-sunset si Bora. Kahit na super dark clouds in the background. Look at that. I'm not sure if that's visible pero yeah. So konting baba pa ng araw baka mawala na siya. But I think this is Boracay's beautiful sunset for today. So ayun, we are back here in Fairways Blue Water. And so I guess better luck tomorrow kami for the sunset. Babalik kami tomorrow doon siguro in the afternoon. So hello again guys, we are back here in the hotel and we had a shower, a quick one, and then had our dinner real quick because I'll be having an event in 15 minutes from now. And I think doon na matatapos yung araw ko today here in Boracay. After nun siguro bedtime na for me. Fail tayo ngayon in waiting for the sunset, yung beautiful sunset na laging inaabangan here in Boracay. Maybe better luck for us tomorrow. Sana mas maganda na yung panahon bukas. So for now, that is it and I'm going to see you tomorrow. Tingnan natin what's the next adventure. See you. Bye.
Cracky.